Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want buyers to see accurate delivery dates at the checkout. It's totally doable since estimated delivery dates on Etsy are calculated using processing time plus the shipment transit time. Well, in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to set up estimated delivery dates on Etsy, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So if you are using the app, the website, it's totally fine. We just want to access Shop Manager. You're gonna ask me how. So for example, we open in Etsy.com, we go to this new tab, then we log in using our email address and password. After this, we go through the Shop Manager. Okay, so this is the icon of Shop Manager as you see here. Tap on Settings. When you tap on Shop Manager, then go through the shipping settings. Edit or create a shipping profile, then set your processing time. Choose your shipping. If you are using any shipping companies, make sure to choose between them, then select the correct delivery service. Confirm the estimated transit time, then click on Save. Now, Etsy will automatically show delivery estimates on your listings. As for bonus tips, choose accurate courier service to avoid any delays. International shipping needs longer transit times. We all know this, since the distance is too great. Then clear delivery dates improve conversion rates. Keep it in mind also, and that's the old idea here. So that's what we all want. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.